Seaweed is a good source of nutrients that aren't usually found in regular diets. Vitamins A, E, K, and B complex, as well as calcium, folic acid, and iron, are abundant in seaweeds. It also contains a number of vital elements such as magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc. Seaweeds are consumed by little fish and other forms of marine life in addition to humans. It is very beneficial to insects and tiny fish. There are many distinct forms of seaweed, each with its own set of health benefits. Seaweeds are known for containing a lot of natural polysaccharides and fiber. They have an unusual and unique combination of rare elements, phytonutrients, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants in them. These are not found in terrestrial plants, which are often consumed by humans. The most important minerals our body needs are found abundantly in seaweed. They've even been shown to regulate hormones in the body and enrich the blood, which improves metabolism. The skin becomes bright and glowing, and the body remains warm, when the metabolism is improved. This is accomplished by allowing the body to naturally cleanse itself of dangerous substances. Salads must have fresh seaweed. Dried seaweed can be cooked in the same way as vegetables. They can be used to garnish and sprinkle other foods, as well as incorporated into dishes to make them healthier. Many people drink seaweed juice, which has numerous health benefits. Seaweed must essentially be included into one's daily diet and ingested on a regular basis. They can be consumed in a variety of ways and imaginatively combined with a variety of other meals. People in the East who eat seaweed on a regular basis are free of a range of ailments that are common in the West. Cancer, cardiovascular disease, neurodegenerative disease, hypothyroidism, and a variety of other disorders are less common in them. They're also thought to help with arthritis discomfort and have long been utilized in cosmetics. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.